Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now it's very easy to learn F block elements with symbols and names. You are watching my YouTube channel Chemistry Tutor. Before going to discuss the topic, like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates of Chemistry Tutor HR, and don't forget to share with friends. We are learning easy ways to memorize periodic table. We are done with S, P and D block elements. In this video, I will tell you how you can memorize easily F block elements. F block elements. There are two series of F block elements, lanthanide series and actinide series. They are inner transition elements because of their placement in the periodic table due to their electronic configuration. F orbital is getting filled up by the electrons in these elements. F block elements, lanthanide series, which is 4F series of 6 period. Lanthanide series. I am breaking this lanthanide series in 3 parts because it is quite long series. It will be difficult to learn all of them together. For this purpose, I am going to break this into 3 parts. Let's take the first part, which is last century presented new Democratic Prime Minister on social media. Last lanthanum century cerium presented praseodymium, new Democratic neodymium, Prime Minister promethium, social media samarium. So sentence is last century presented new Democratic Prime Minister on social media. Let's move to the second part, which is European government decided to ban dirty hotels. European government decided gadolinium to ban terbium, dirty dysprosium hotels, holmium. So the sentence is European government decided to ban dirty hotels. Last and third part of lanthanide series is easy to make yellow buildings luxurious. Easy erbium to make thulium, yellow buildings ytterbium, luxurious lutetium. So the sentence is easy to make yellow building luxurious. Second series of F block element is actinide series, which is 5F series of the 7 period. We will break this actinide series into 3 parts so it will be easy to remember the actinide series. Here is the first part of the actinide series. The sentence will be actinium 3 planets Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Actinium will be for actinium 3 thorium planets protactinium Uranus, Uranium, Neptune, Neptunium. Pluto will be for plutonium. So we can learn this sentence actinium 3 planets Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Second part is America cured Berkeley in California. America Americium cured Curium, Berkeley Berkelium in California Californium. So the sentence is America cured Berkeley in California. Here is the last and the third part of the actinide series. The sentence will be Einstein, Fermi, Mendeleev were Nobel laureates. Einstein, Einsteinium, Fermi, Fermium, Mendeleev, Mendeleevium, Nobel, Nobelium. Laureates will be for Lawrencium. So the sentence is Einstein, Fermi, Mendeleev were Nobel laureates. In this way, you can learn the both series of the F block elements very easily. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it will be helpful for teachers and students. For further interesting chemistry videos, stay tuned with Chemistry Tutor HR.